Hi guys, how you doing? This is Q coming to you from diygenesis. And today I wanted to jump back into Navigation Pro because I know we hadn't talked about it since I did the one-click demo install. And now I want to actually delve in just a little bit because I really wanted to talk more about this homepage. So this tutorial is going to be focused on some things that we can do with the homepage. And we're not going to get super deep, but I'm going to be touching on little pieces of the homepage as we go along just to give some insight and some content that we can change really on the fly and give us some really powerful tools to do so. So let's focus on this section here, this popular recipes section. I love this. So let's jump into the back office. Now, we're already here under the popular recipes. And in case you don't know how to get here, you go to all pages and then you'd go to homepage, front page. And that's going to give you the access that you need. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to see popular recipes. Okay, great. So now here we are. And the reason why I wanted to point this out is because when you click this section, and don't click on the image because it's definitely going to take you to that post. One of the things that I wanted you to note was just the ability that you have here with the styles. So this is what I wanted to point out specifically in this tutorial, is that you can put corner brackets on, which is these little things here. And then the other thing I thought was super neat is the title overlay and corner brackets. So you get the corner brackets with this title overlay. So that's pretty neat. That's a really neat feature. And I really wanted to bring that to you guys so you can see like just how powerful this is. And if you're interested in like creating a client website that is all about a restaurant, this is the site for you, because you have the install starter packs that allows you to create a website related to law or related to fitness or related to cuisine. And the other one is to travel. So you have a lot of options here to explore, but this particular ability is the result of this plugin here, Atomic Blocks. And Atomic Blocks plugin is a plug and play plugin that allows you to easily create layouts like this on the regular. So it gives you that ability right out of the box. You would do an A/B post and page grid, and you can see it here when you go into the add a block. You can see A/B layouts right here, A/B advanced columns, A/B container. These are all things that are being used. And if you specifically wanted to get into everything that it offers you, you can go right in here to the A/B section of the blocks layout. So as you can see, A/B post and page grid, there it is, boom. And I'm just adding another one because I have the ability to do so. So this one's lower and this is the newest one. Really easy. I can either undo it like this and redo it here, or what I can do is also go here and hit remove block, and then it's gone. And then just make sure I hit update and my changes will be saved. And then now that we've got that title overlay, we can refresh and you're going to notice this page immediately changed. There it is. Gorgeous. Just beautiful how that transitions. Nice. Love that. So this is just a little short taste, guys, of what we're going to be doing with Navigation Pro and the things that I'm going to be demonstrating and showing to you guys as we build out our cuisine website and just show you the capabilities and some of the other things that you're going to want to do. And so I hope you guys have found value in this tutorial. I pray that you would just go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and certainly hit the notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time we do new videos. You'll be the first one to know and be able to comment and give us feedback on what other videos you'd like to see. So until next time, guys, thanks so much. And this is Q coming to you from diygenesis.